Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah guys, it's the start of a new week. You know we're gonna be trading NAS100, we're gonna be trading USDT and gold. So since the start of a new week, I've already entered some trade. Let me record the screen of the phone and show you the trades that I'm in right now. I can see right now is basically running around 1.4 is on 1.4 1.3. You can see that. So that's basically the trades that I mean. The reason why I took the trade is because of this channel here. We can see the market last week we basically recorded the video and said the market should be coming to this position, but as you can see right now I'm taking some buys. Let me stop the recording on the phone here so that it doesn't be long. I'll show you on the screen right here. So basically why I took the buying position here right now is because of this zone here. If I go to the 15 minutes chart, so we can see if I go to a 5 minutes chart, there was a breakout from this kind of level here, broke out, came back and retested. When they retest this zone, I was able to catch the buying positions here. So I'm going to be catching the buying position up until this level, which is the TP of my zone. So once they reach this TP, I'm going to wait and see what's going to be the market structure after that. But nonetheless, other than that guys, let's see what the market is doing guys. I'm going to remove all the drawing and start recording from scratch and start analyzing the market from scratch guys. So what are we going to be doing guys? What are we going to be doing? Let's start analyzing by Nasdaq. So this is NAS100. I'm going to go to the weekly time frame. Maybe I should go to a monthly time frame just to see exactly what's going to be happening when it comes to this month, because we're already towards the month end guys. So we're already towards month end. We're left with like 6-7 days for the month end to reach. So guys, you know how I always analyze. I always specify my highest point and the lowest point starting from the highest time frame. So the highest time frame at this moment is going to be my monthly time frame. So where is my highest point? We can see my highest point is on this level. Where is my lowest point? My lowest point is on this zone guys. But yeah guys, these levels are way too far from each other. We can see the market is been moving to the upside for way too long guys. They're trying to reach this level and create new highs. So but let me see, we have another zones here. So after creating my highest and lowest point, the next step that I always do is that I create places whereby the market touches, the market reverses. So these are the zones. So we can see the first place I can identify this, the market's touched here and reversed. I just give you some examples. The market's touched here, reversed. Another example we can see is this is another one here where the market is basically at right now, and we can see they're trying to get to this level as well. We saw a rejection on that specific point guys. So when we move to the lower time frame, which is the D1 and the H4, we want to see exactly where other zones are, and then we can specify those zones and then specify the trends as well. So I'm going to move to the weekly time frame and see which other zones did I not catch basically guys. So we can see guys, we are playing above this zone. There was a resistance that was failed to broke out here. We can see it got rejected way too harsh there and closed with the with the red bar guys. So if I go back to the monthly time frame guys, if we see this monthly time frame bar closing with the red bar below this zone here, which is where's this zone basically? Is it 15729 279 basically. So that's basically where the zone is. If this bar closes below with the red candle, we're going to be looking for selling opportunities guys. Selling opportunities are going to be way too hard guys. So if it closes with the red bar here on a monthly time frame. But yeah guys, let's see on a weekly time frame, what do we have on a weekly time frame. We can see there was a resistance there that rejected the market. From there, let me just add this as a zone as well. We can see there was a zone there, way too far at the moment, but yeah, those are basically my zone. I can add this rejection here as well as a zone guys. So from there, once we're done creating our zones, the next step is to go to the lower time frame and check the trends, the trend of the market. Where is the market going? If you catch the trend of the market, this is how we always analyze guys. So if we check the trend of the market, where is the market going? So we've been going to the upside for way too long at the moment. So we can see the market started to go to the upside from here. Someone will say the market will come and touch here and be going. So I think that's what I said even last week. But yeah, guys, so the reason why I said that is because of the rules of the market, guys. So the rules of the market has to give us the 90% rule and touch 3 times. This is the bigger trend. I think I'm going to draw trends inside trends. We can see it touched here, so we don't have the third touch here. So basically, we're only waiting for the third touch. We're going to kill it on the third touch with the buy. Right now, I'm only on a buy right now because of those things that I showed you when the video started. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the H4 time frame because I saw something on H4. Let me do this. I saw something on H4 that might give us something, guys. So there's a trend here that is basically roaming. It's a trend inside a trend. We need to make sure that this is very, very strong. So guys, you see where the market is right now. It's giving us like goosebumps, guys. That's the reason why I'm on a buying trade, guys. Let me see something where my trade is at right now. Still running in profit, let's see where it's going. So guys, I'm going to zoom this chart a little bit just to show you what I can see, guys. You know, I always analyze with you and show you how I always catch this market. There's a zone here, guys. So this zone is also it was also very, very strong. That's why it gave me those buying momentum. We can see the zone is going to be ending somewhere here. So if we come back, guys, and touch this zone here, because we know our momentum right now on a higher time frame, it says we're going to be selling. We saw a trend line saying we're going to be selling when we were on a weekly time frame, and then we saw the doji candle there on a weekly time frame closing there with the bearish candle. So meaning we're going to be having selling position when it comes to Nasdaq. But yeah, guys, this is a long-term trade. So if we're going back to the higher time frame, which is the H4, my buying position, I'm waiting for them to go maybe to this level. That's when I'll start selling up until this level. And then we come back. So if we break out this zone here, which is the second, what do you call this? A trend inside a trend. So the trend inside a trend, if it breaks out here, we're going to kill it again with more selling opportunities. But when it comes to this level, guys, we need to make sure that if the market touches here, this is going to be the third touch rule, guys. So we know the third touch rule. If the market touched here for the first time, second time, and then this is the first time, we're going to expect a reversal on this level. And the reversal might be eating it up until here, because we're going to be seeing a breakout on this level that made the market go up at the moment, which is making me open my buying position. So this level was very, very strong and a risky trade that I took. But yeah, guys, once the market goes up and touches this zone here, this is the selling zone, guys. So I'm going to be selling my trades when I get to this level. Sell here. Look at my handwriting, guys. I can't write with the mouse, guys, so it's hectic. So but yeah, you get the feeling, you get what I'm trying to say, you get why I'm analyzing this market this way, guys. So once we reach this level here, we got a very, very strong resistance that started the big movement here to go to the top side. So this strong resistance can make the market turn, guys. So here we might get selling positions up until here. If we break out this level, we're going to be coming to the the third touch of our trend line inside a trend, which can give us a reversal of a buying opportunity. That's basically what I can see when it comes to USDT. Let me see if I can go to the lower time frame, guys. So the lower time frame, you saw when I was studying my videos, I had trend lines, I had retests there. I hope you want to see where I drew those trend lines. So the trend line was here, guys. So which gave me a buying opportunities. We can see the markets, they're busy trying to come back. They don't like giving people profit, these guys. So basically there was a trend line. It looks like a continuation, basically. So people will say the market has been falling right now, they're consolidation, they're going to be continuing to drop to the bottom side. But yeah, we can see this support. I mean, it was very, very strong when it came to this level. So the support was very, very strong. They were unable to break it out, guys. So instead they broke it to the upside. And when they break it to the upside, you know how I always calculate my TP is that I take it from there to there up until the breakout. So this is going to be my TP. We can see they're like halfway through the TP or quarter way through the TP. But yeah, so far so good. I think we're gonna wait a little bit for this trade because I moved my stop loss to entry points, so it's a risk-free trade right now. I'm just going to let it slide and let it run on its own, and then we're going to be waiting for the market to reach this level, because even this level is giving me another confirmation, guys. I don't know if you can see the confirmation that I'm talking about. We have a first touch, we have a second touch, we don't have a third touch here. Already here on the support level, we already touched this support level multiple times, which is making the support level very, very weak. So if the market decide to come back and try to play inside this trade, we know that we're going to break to the downside. But yeah, guys, once we go to the upside, we're going to start selling from this level, guys. So that's basically what I see when it comes to the market today. This is US 30. Sorry guys, this is Nasdaq, guys. I don't want to waste any much of your time. Let me cancel this as well, and then we can go and see other opportunities on other trades. I like to analyze Nasdaq, guys. So here we have gold, guys. Here we have gold. Let's see what happened with gold. So gold is basically giving us this. I think we analyze this thing. It's still just playing around the same levels. Let me see US 30 as well. Let me see US 30. Guys, I want to make this video to be very, very short. US 30, I'm seeing buying zones, guys. I'm seeing buying opportunities without analyzing. I'm seeing this market trying to push to the top side, guys. So you can see on a weekly time frame, they're trying to close there. We don't have a doji candle. We are still on another zone here that we can create. I think the market needs to come to this level, so they're basically trying to touch this level before they try to reverse, guys. So that's basically what I can see here. I just analyze with my eyes, guys. This is how we make profits all the time. This is how we make profits. So I don't know if I should analyze US 30 or analyze it on another chart. So this is an update. I'll just update US 30 maybe on another video, because with Nasdaq, I think we went so much in depth with it, so you can already analyze US 30 on your own, guys. So that's basically what I'm thinking. I think if you do it on your own, that's how you're gonna learn, guys. If you do it on your own, that's how you're gonna learn. Let's see where the trade is running at. We can see they're giving us a small rejection there. Okay, we can see it went down right now. It's busy running with around let me see, it's running with 1k right now. So yeah, guys, I'm going to stop the recording right here. It's a risk-free trade. I'm going to wait for the market to get to this level and give us a third touch. That's where I'll start selling my position. If it breaks out this point, I'm going to start selling from here. So basically, you saw my buying position. I'm already in the buy position, which I took here when the market retested. So my stop loss was somewhere here. So right now my TP is going to be there. So when the market reaches this level, I'm going to sell there. Another opportunities that I'm going to look for, which is a short, is as if the market comes back and break this level, I'm going to take my selling opportunities and go down with it. But right now, as you saw, I'm in a buying position. Let me just record my screen and show you where the market is at right now, so that you can see that I'm still holding that trade, guys. So this is my phone right now. I'm just recording this. We can see the market is running with 1.1, 1.2. So that's basically it, guys. Let me see on the chart right here. You can see I entered it exactly on the retest, guys. So when the market came back, retested, we went up with it. So I'm going to put stop loss on entry point and then let this trade run risk free, and then we can look at other opportunities when the market starts, guys. So that's basically it, guys. That's it for me. I'll see you on another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This will help this channel grow, guys. Thank you so much.